then accident enzeka apho. It was a two-way road, like coming abo eziyayo nezibuyayo. I think le moto le yasitshayisayo and we were about, I think, around 9. Cabe befuna overtake and asibona uba there's an incoming car yabo. That's when ya collide. Ya box spinner amavila bheka phezulu. It was horrible. And funny thing is, azange faint or anything, I saw the whole thing. Yabo. And bekunabantwana abancinci yabo bengikhula nabo yabo, like it was be family ngasho yabo.
Happy Saturday and greetings and welcome to Podcast Love Sibuyile again with another episode. If usemucha usengaka like usengaka comment usengakenze next, ngiyakutshela ke namhlanje ukuthi ukhamba ufike lapho ugadangele ibutton elithi like nelithi subscribe. Ngokwenza njalo uzavu umndeni nakithi sonke la esikhona ke. Make sure ukuthi you also catch us on Spotify. Sikhona la ku Spotify, get the link on the description. Check another. Today's episode is an episode where we just educating people ukuthi you can live your dream by just doing one thing, not giving up, keep pushing. By just doing that, uzobona na imiphumela ukuthi man, things izenzeka ngaphandle, you know, and eliminate all people who are giving you this negativity. You will see ukuthi izinto ziyenzeka lapha ngaphandle. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, give it up for the one and only Khanyo po. You said nickname yakho Uncle
Dude.
Uncle Dude. Uze kanjani uzibiza ngo Uncle Dude vele?
I think there's those on social media, you know, when you maybe you don't want to use your like your real name and stuff.
Yeah.
So like I was brainstorming, and there's this guy actually, he was a handsome dude or something.
Yeah.
So I was like, this dude thing works, but let me be like, let's say, let me find something different. So I think Uncle Dude, that's came to my mind just.
Yes, my question is what, ne? Are you still gonna call yourself Uncle Dude when you're 40?
I don't know.
You don't know, right?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Because like you remember Pro Kid used to be Pro Kid, and then later on, masekabona ukuthi iminyaka seyi, and then ngiyachinja zange saba Pro Kid. Kwasusuka lo kid lo waba Pro. Yeah, so cause things they do change later on.
I think I will still be uncle cool. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Welcome to the show.
Yeah.
Finally, you're here. I think like we've been trying so many times, right?
I think ever since last year.
Since last year, and you've been so busy.
Yeah, I was busy.
Traveling,
school.
Yeah, you've been so busy. Schedule sakho busy on IPA?
No, I don't have.
So currently you don't have, but I'm sure in future you'll have one.
Maybe,
right?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
That's at the Eastern Cape. In a place called Engcobo.
Okay.
Engcobo, that's before Mthatha, I think. In a small village called Ecuka.
Okay.
So, Ecuka, yabo.
Yeah.
Nakhulela lapho, ndazalelwa lapho, nakhulela lapho. I think up until I was like 12. Yes.
Oh, okay. Then after 12, what happened? You relocated.
Yeah, because of I think our 2015 abo.
Okay.
That's when I had my first car accident. That was the reason why I moved to Joburg.
Yeah. But how was your childhood before we get into 2015? How was your childhood? Must I say in Ngozi, Eastern Cape, you know?
I won't lie, ne. My thing yapeka now.
Yeah.
Bekumnandi. It was bekumnandi, man. Benifundiswa into ezininzi, man. I think I found about life at a very young age, because now I was staying with umakhulu notamkhulu wami, yabona umntana wasekhaya, my late nephew, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah. So as cool as I was bending umfana, yabo, so I was doing everything, yabo, mvuka ekuseni yabona benze mvuke ndondlule benzela utamkhulu umakholithi ndibekele umntwana wasekhaya amanzi aqala esikolweni, then ndithatha igusha nebhokhwe ndisele, then I come back ndisibekele amanzi wami, yabo zonke zonke lezi yabo so benifundisa about life at a very young age. It was nice yabo ndolusa zonke izinto, that experience. Also like I was playing sport that time, so then the life busy at a very young age. Ngibuye skela training like ngemasimini to fetch livestock and stuff. So I had a very
interesting childhood, right?
Yeah, it was interesting.
Benilo mphokoqo.
Yeah, man.
Umbako.
Yeah.
You see, I can stay in Eastern Cape.
Yeah, it's just on the man.
Yeah.
I think childhood yam bekumnandi kakhulu, man. And infundisile and indenze ndaba ile ndoda endiyiyo today.
Yeah.
Yabo imfundiso no ubethwa uqeqeshwa, just to get in the line. Yabo.
Would you stay in Eastern Cape now, like full time?
I wouldn't recommend ndithi ndiyohlala Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
But I think it's because of my situation in Goa right now.
Okay.
Yeah, but and this needs now zenzeke eJozi or any other places, man. Yabo. And the Eastern Cape, there isn't much about my opportunity I can get there. Man. Yeah. But if there's corner, I would.
Yeah.
Yeah, because life yam yonke layiphilele lapha.
Then kwambona igqwirha. Kwalibona igqwirha Eastern Cape.
Izinto besiziva like elalini yabo circulating around yabo kuthiwa umama phala igqwirha and stuff and that, but zange uthi now you experience lo nto ibone. Yabo just nje rumors.
I used to watch Cutting Edge back then.
Yeah,
there is a lot going on in Eastern Cape. Omunye bathu unokuthula uvukile. Hey, Eastern Cape ziyabuya. There's a lot going on there.
Yeah, izinto zenzeka, man.
Hence I'm asking you about igqwirha ukuthi kwambona yini igqwirha.
Zange ndabona igqwirha, soze ngixoke.
What happened in 2015?
Man, 2015. Bona lo nyaka soze ndilibale, bro, because now it changed everything. Because in 2015, that's what the accident, my first accident. Yabo. Yeah, today is already yes.
Yeah. Maybe you can make it easy by just telling us from the morning yavuka, maybe you're losing inkomo, and then
like I think I was a day before sizohamba bo. I was told to go tomorrow kanya kuyahanja kwendawo ethile, so ungayi emasimini yabo and stuff, so you stay here the whole day until kufika imoto lezolanda sizohamba bo. So I was excited, obviously ngihlala emakhaya bekunzima nokuya town, man yabo. That time was cool lathina yabo. So excited wahamba ngamoto, obvious yabo. So I told my friends with taxi ndiyahamba today, I'm going somewhere ngamoto. Yabo, so like wahamba ngamoto was like a big thing for us that time. Yabo, bekumnandi, I was excited. I think we left around 7 late yabo.
Okay.
Moto silanda again. They must sadlula sangena town, because abe second besidlula town yabo. Yeah, then accident enzeka apho. It was a two-way road, like coming abo eziyayo nezibuyayo. Then I think le moto le yasichayisayo ne, and we were about I think around 9 inside
the car.
Yeah.
Was it a taxi?
No, it was a Toyota private car.
Okay.
Yeah, cabe befuna overtake and asibona uba there's an incoming car yabo. That's when you collide. Box spinner, amavila bheka phezulu. It was horrible. And funny thing is, azange faint or anything, I saw the whole thing. Yabo. And bekunabantwana abancinci yabo bengikhula nabo. Yabo. Like it was a family ngasho yabo. Then I think out of 9 survived, I think 2, me and my cousin. You see, so like during that time, man, I could see like everything. I saw everyone. I saw abantwana. You see, yeah, it was hectic. Mind you, that time I was playing soccer. You see, I was very best. Very, very, very good with soccer, and I think I was benzodlalela i-team i-DDC. I think yazi DDC yebhola like ama-club ama-Sundowns.
Okay, yeah.
So I was gonna bona. I was so good.
Yeah, bese uye kuma trial.
Yeah, so I was benzonyuka I think yabona these ages. Yabo. So I was excited. It was in December 2015 man. Get 16 December. So obvious festive. Then next month I'm supposed to go. So then accident happened. So at that time a lot was going on in my mind.
But before we get into that, ne, ubani bekasemotweni? You said you guys were 9.
Yeah.
It was you and your other cousin that survived.
Yeah.
The rest of 7, who were they?
Uncle, nabantwana basekhaya abancinci.
It was your family.
It was family, you know.
Yeah.
It was family people because abantwana besibasingatha, you know. Abanye bahlele phezu kwami yabo.
Yeah.
So imagine umbona umntana lo behleli phezu kwakho nangu akana life. You see. Yeah, ekunzima.
So after that, what happened? Ambulance yafika.
Ambulance, and I still remember what I said the first time I saw my ambulance. I think that ngabethwa ngama light. Yabo, abona ama light nang man. Yabo, the first thing that came to my mind was my ambulance. I was benkhala ngithi nifuna ndife nami. Those are the words that I said. Nifuna ndife nami, cela nizongikhuba because I was stuck under the car. Yabo. Underneath the car. In car amavila abheke phezulu, I was underneath. I think that vele with this part. Yabo ngivela ngakhona, so ngicela uncedo and stuff until they came. Wafaka i-ambulance in, then went to the hospital.
Wahlala isikhathi singakanani esibhedlela?
I think nafika first day ban-transfera to esinye isibhedlela to eMthatha yabo. Ngahlala the whole of 2016. I think later 2016 at the end of the year I was discharged. Then I went, the moment I was discharged in Aikaya for one day, then the following day I went to Joburg 2017. At the beginning of the year I went to Joburg, also in the Tolia rehab and stuff. Then I figured like Joburg that time 2017 again there for a rehab. I stayed for half a year. I went to rehab. Yeah.
So did you ever got a chance to attend the funeral yalaba bunabe motweni?
After some time, I think I attended in 2021. It's after a long time, man. Because I think also namubuya sengihamba nguchair elalini. It wasn't easy for me. I wasn't bengakazi accept, not ready to face anyone. You know, imagine abantu bukhula nabo badlala the same sport you usithanda, now you can't, you see that thing. So I had to prepare myself mentally so that when I go back there I'm strong mentally.
Yeah. Sure. What did the accident affect you in what way? Maybe if you can break it down for us.
In affected in physical, emotional, mentally, because that time now it always like hits me up because when I'm alone actually, you know, it's at night, in your room alone, man. So now you start to think. Now those things start to come back.
Yeah.
You know, so I was sometimes been my suicidal thoughts. You know, so I'll just like end my life. But I think because of the family was there for me and some of my friends, you know, I think there's enough factors that played a part to put and also to my mom, I think being be right for her. Imagine now since surviving, now she's happy to see her son. Now since again, it wouldn't be like nice for me and for her.
Yeah. But the time Ubanama said suicidal thoughts, did you ever thought Uguti, maybe I am blessed? I mean, like out of 9, I was part of the 2 that survived.
Yeah, at some point later on in life
Yeah.
ifikile loo nto leyo
Mhm.
ifikile nyani yabona. That's why I think ndiye ndakwazi utshintsha how I think yabo.
Yes, because if ngicheka like istory sakho ne the way singakhona ish nami I don't think I could have the balls the way you had like ukuthi I mean how do you have amandla, you know, that bravado in you ukuthi I'm going to overcome this thing.
No.
Yeah.
Now I'm to even think now manje ngihlelele because now I'm independent, I stay alone, I do things alone yabo.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. Now to think to Mbuyaphi. Now I'm like now I made it. I made it in life. Yabo, I made it. I'm happy, man, that the decisions that I wanted to take, I didn't take them. Yabo, so now
Now you're proud of yourself.
I am.
Yeah.
I am.
So let's talk about you living with should I say the disability? Yeah.
Fine.
So how did you accept it? Because of many of people, they don't want to, you know, accept it. You know, others mhlambe in a different situation like HIV, they don't want to accept. Now I'm gonna live like this way. In your case, how long it took and how did you finally reach a decision of man, this is just a small waters, I'm just gonna accept myself the way in accord?
I won't lie, it took years.
Yes.
And also I think ukuba se rehab yabo, now you start to see udibana nama physios, therapists yabo, also encourage to look at life in another way. Yabona ubone nabanye abantu na uvi stories zabanye abantu ukuthi wow, mina sometimes ngcono uzibona ngayingcono lo muntu lona uvi story sakho ukuthi wow, and usaphila. So zezinye izinto ezenza ukuthi yeah, you're right, yazi ka so yabo. So I think the family the friends I made along the way, you know, zincedile ukuthi accept.
Yeah.
You know, also like enokufunda man ezinye izinto yabo online.
Yeah.
Abantu abazirecommendayo ama rehab yabo, ama physios abazirecommendayo yabo. Nami ngizibona ukuthi even though ngakho easy accept azikhona incwadi nana ifunda about acceptance, angisayikhumbula incwadi. I think nayo yanceda le nto because iyaxeleka ukuthi kubalekile uma ufuna accept ngabanye abantu qala accept wena.
True.
Yabo, qala wena accept yabo. And I think uqala kwami accepta, that's when izinto qala zami ukhanya, you know, ziqala ubona izinto ngenye indlela yabo. Noku then ngafuna uye esikolweni because I thought mhlawumbe ngizobuyela kwesa school and then umuntu oyi-one who's different abled yabo, lo way into enjalo kanti ngizoya kwisikolo sabantu also with disabilities.
Yeah.
Yabo, ezilapha ePrimrose yabo.
Oh, okay.
Mangifika lapha ngibona abanye abantwana nami yabona yabo, kancane ndaqala uzaccepta nami yabo. Nabanye abantu that I think I met kwesisikole teachers yabo, because benhlala sehostel la yabo, abo house mothers yabona, abandenza ukuthi ndizamkele nami yabo, because bengakhulula from emakhaya. Now impilo yami seyitshintshile yabona. Obvious yazonto zamlimaza umuntu yabo, kodwa uhamba ngexesha yabo. Also nami ndaqala ujoin isport ezithile
Yeah.
yabo. Man, ezinye izinto ezaqala azancedayo uba ndikwazi uzamkela even though kwathatha ixesha yabo.
You speak about rehab. What is rehab?
Rehab,
Because mina nathi rehab ngicabanga ama drugs. Ngithi ninyawupe.
ningatsho i-rehab like enye indawo yabantu aba like in hospitals yabo, kwabantu maybe abafana nabo bane accident now mhlawumbe bazama stretch ungabe stiff umuntu be flexible babafundisa ngeindependence yabona ukuzikhwelela wheelchair ukusigeza ukuzenzela izinto they teach you about that about rehab.
Oh, okay, so like indaba ukuthi like we shouldn't ukuthi uzimele ube independent instead of rely more komunye umuntu some sort of
ne yabona yenye into leyo yokuba yabona nami ndikwazile uzizela lapha thanks to them now because yakwazi ukuche ngakwazi ukukhwela imoto ngizihambele ngiye wherever I wanna go.
Yes,
they teach you about that lapha uthi ungacinga ba mhlambe uzoxhomeka kwabanye abantu yabona but they teach you about independence.
Okay,
ukuthi ungumuntu at the end of the day yabo you need to do your own things without asking someone.
you're just gonna live a normal life.
Live a normal life. Yabona manje my mom doesn't even know where I am. Yabo that's the thing that they teach you.
You just live your bachelor life.
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
It's so important, you know, especially for people who look they were born what can I say? They were born like that. They were born like yourself, and then later on situation, Ibafaga in a different situation, it makes you accept the way you are right now, your current situation. I like that. I think many people say thing as that.
Yeah, but teach about everything. Hygiene, uzinakekele now. Ubangena, ube muhle, ugcoke kahle, ubangena. Yabo.
Ube grand.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you look good, you gotta smell good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, teach about that. Now,
Mm.
you know, I think also ezinye izinto ezo now abantu where I stay yabo banongijonga nje but you know mhlawumbe waba ngishe maybe akhona yenzayo but now because of the things that I do they see me as a human being not just umuntu ohamba wheelchair because of the knowledge that I have that I'm able to give them.
Yes.
That I thought maybe I don't have. Yabona now travel ama country. Wow, we travel when uhamba wheelchair. Yes, I can.
What you to passport ne?
The passport.
Yeah, icon.
Tony ink.
Yeah. I see passport empty ni. Ina ma stamp nje.
My passport la Africa, Africa.
What do you do?
I play basketball.
Basketball.
And tennis, but for tennis now because of internal things that happened and I don't want to tell you, but I think I should because of izinto that happened yabo ezenza ukuthi now the love that I had for sport lehle you know sometimes ezinye izinto nje esingeke sikwazi ukuthetha ngazo.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
But now mainly it's basketball.
It's basketball.
Basketball, man.
Tell us who introduced you to basketball. I get you mentioned what you were playing soccer, you were good with soccer. Then how did you fall in love with basketball?
When I turn the question now, because now I'll answer you, but I just want to refer when you do.
Okay.
At some point, I was doing so well in tennis, I think my first tournament, we went to Devon for schools games in winter around June, July. I played my first tournament. I was just like an underdog. Balo ufika ubuya kusesikole yabo. Bona isport kunabantu that's stars ezazi ukuthi lo awuntswembu yabo. Then afika into na system keep. Ayibo. Ubanda we won. We came in position 1, Gauteng took position 1. Then we were offered bursaries. Then my life changed after that. You know, and go it changed in a way that now I'm traveling, and abantu now they treat you different. You know, they think that you are better than them, whereas you are not. I mean, I'm just someone who's doing something I turned out and is excelling like that. Abanye abantu bafuna ukuthatha i-trade ukuthi hayi uzibona engcono ngoku kodwa wafakwa yimi into enjalo. Yabo. But it's fine, man. It's part of life and part of things and then ukuthi uthando lwami for that sport ukuthi zehle. Yeah, because it talks like that. Yabo as ngihlisa umoya because now ngasesigele bengasaphathwa kakuhle. I won't lie. But back to basketball, I think after oh man, I think ngize esikolweni ngasha lapho sasine tournament ngasha amadolo bo. So kumele ukuthi ngiye rehab bazoyithatha isilona sami abo emadolweni.
Ushiswa yini?
Eish long story ufana.
Okay.
Yeah, but yayonto embi nje apha emadolweni abo.
Okay.
But yeah, then daya lapho then lapha ku rehab bakwenza nakhona same thing yabo. Bayogno host it was Clayton House in Joburg. Yeah, but yeah, a nice place to be. They host this thing fun days yabona abantu abahlala lapha yana yabona ukuthi babe active bangene ku sport.
Okay.
Then I think national team for which basketball beyenza those around like fun days yabo attend isibhedlela khuthaza abantu.
Yeah.
That's when I was introduced. Then ngayeka for some time then manje esikolweni ngaqala idlala you know abo but umuntu one wandenza ukuthi like dibe into it more was coach wami simbiza ngo Pep Guardiola it's Unico.
Okay.
Yeah. Uthando lwami from then ke from high school aqala ba yeah ba cool
Lakhuphuka ne.
Oh and then I was like oh ngenza like ezinye izinto.
How is your performance there? Is it good?
Yeah, it is because now last year I went for my first trials for under 23 national team. I got in. We traveled, went to Libya, Egypt. Yeah, and then last year around June again we went for World Championships in Brazil. Oh, before that we did African qualifiers to qualify for World Championships in Brazil. So it was like African countries, Egypt, Libya, Congo. Yeah, this means about Kenya.
Musona yana the Oscar Pistorius,
no. So basically tournament it was held like Joburg in Mindeville Sports Center yabo lapha ya. To qualify we went to Basi win tournament. Been the all-star player of the tournament. Yeah. Yabo. Then we qualified for World Championships under 23 in Brazil. Yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's the experience of traveling?
It's good. Kumnandi travel. As much as it's tiring for a long distance, it's nice. Ubona ezinye indawo.
I'm sure you have many girlfriends right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess like you know, I would share about into
nice.
It's nje like okay, he's a traveler. You know, when's the 1, 2, 3? For that, it's a tick to them. You know, but moti uliparo hlale makuleni like
I out of the country.
Yeah, out of the country.
Those
Brazil.
Yeah.
You mentioned that. Yeah, one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Maye, in your travel, like you experience different cultures and food and languages.
Yeah, I remember first time for my first travel outside the country was in Japan. We went to Japan, but that was for tennis.
Okay.
It was nice. Yeah, it was nice there. Yeah. Then my interesting one was last year we went to Libya. Yeah, we got to learn about the culture corner. Yeah, it was nice, man. Let me tell you that I think it should be like implemented here in South Africa. It was nice. Like you don't just date, you date to marry.
You date to marry?
Hey, aye. You don't date to sleep with the girl. You go to marry.
Yeah, ne?
You see.
And like
nice,
now,
and abagcoka mo bum shot or anything that is revealing. Bagcoka long things.
Abafaka abo John Vuligate.
Wena umbona umuhle ubuso bakhe. Umthande. Mawuthi mase ukuvumile ke ngomathi uyabheka. Ayi, makakhulula because umboni ibody yakhe njalo mathi so kumele wazi story sakho. Yeah, nice man, like ufunda ngezinye cultures and also in Egypt, man. I think lapha kunama robot. I mangathi Egypt as a whole. I think where we were kunama robot pop because then like
but which country is good with technology when you check your experience?
It's Japan.
It's Japan.
It's Japan. Because I remember when we were in Japan, I mean, an Aeromatium now, Aeromatium, so check it in.
Yeah.
I would say, manje ufuna toilet aye toilet mayifika lapha etoilet okay akhulule hayibo mayicede kwenza anything manje uthatha i-tissue yabona all the things hayi automatically iyakwenza iyasiflasha iyakusula. I was like
Yo.
I thought because wajamba the first time umuntu
Kwenzakalani. Imagine say bamthatolozi direct ay
toilet like hayibo yakwipe and stuff.
How what the hell?
It technology lapha inswembu moza. I thought maybe I went there now I'm just nje for experience ndivo hayibo yenzeka lento. Then I think coach udasinceda basibuze boma imanager about it happens. Yeah, ne. So zithole nini South Africa?
Khohlo.
I think I would say Japan.
Oh, Japan, ne. Yo, I am so good at sport match. But do you think if like nothing happened, you didn't experience the accident, do you think you could have traveled all of these countries?
I ask the question every time.
Yeah.
There's this teacher I want to so long as encourage abafana at my former school. Bese encourage angibuza mina private ucela ngoku masthethe ekhanya umpedi ke nabo azonibuza ukuthi dakuva ubusister kusoka but do you think uzoyithola everything that you are getting now if udla the soccer wanted ukubheka no I'm sure because of abangikhulele khona it wasn't like akon amathuba to uphumelela that time emancinci you know mina where I'm from it's a place where I didn't have like ama role models to look up to yabo benabantu that I just wish ukuthi mangikhula I don't want to be like them as well as izinto bezingikhuthaza ukuthi keep on pushing yeah.
But now you are a role model to them.
Yazi umuntu mokhula naye akafu mawubona ukuthi wena wenza into ethile ngeke asho ukuthi uyi role model yakhe or anything. But for me now I just hope umuntu into engenzayo ngayibona as a motivation not as uzanza ngcono or anything.
Yeah.
Because I just do what I love.
Okay.
Then keep quiet.
Focus on your business. But to the youngsters, you are a role model. Even if the adults or your peers, they might see you as like, you know, because people are people, but you are the role model to the youngsters.
Yeah, especially I want to mandala basketball, man. Yo, people love to watch me.
We are flyer.
Those kids, man, like you are ndakuthanda friend, ndathanda indlela odlala ngayo.
Yeah.
Keep on working. Ungathatha ukuthi now masikunqoma ukuthi uzositshela ukuthi sister or anything. Yabo manje even ama senior players engidlala nawo ayasikhuthaza. I mean they play such a very important role ukuthi man usikhuthaza. Mayibona a young players that is doing so well. Keep it up man. Yabo ungazibeki phezulu, just keep on working more because you are doing so well and that thing you take as a motivation, not uthathe manje uyifake icinga uba yi-pride sozoba ne-pride because now so untswembu anything I can say yabo. So lezo nto ezo
So which one have you met, like, you know, big people or celebrities are like, oh, I never thought I could meet this one?
Whoa.
The funny, you know.
I've met Gigi Lamayne. I have met abanye ngabakhohlwa amanye ama-actors. I have met who man especially those guys that doing music, man.
Can do you partially do music or you just met them in my corridors?
No, I has met and I think on my event and soon were attended.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nasema airport.
Yeah. Oh, airport. Slow lounge and whatnot.
Yeah. I do meet up. I'm a celebrity, man.
Yeah. Then internationally.
Yeah.
Mostly Brazil. I think you Will Smith somewhere.
I want an international thing. I have
You've never, ne?
I have never.
So you're playing sport, well?
uyaphileka mawukwazi uziphatha
Mhm.
avoid ama substance that you are not supposed to use
Mhm.
ujima nje taking care of yourself yabona
Udle
uyaphileka.
grandi.
Yeah
Yeah.
bengumuntu
Mm.
yabona nanxa unayo unezinto umazi umuntu yabo.
Okay. Then how do you make money then?
Mina
Mhm.
leyo mfuna iskill
Because
Because
here's why you use
why?
it. I just saw also Pistorius, the way how rich he was, you know, and you ask yourself, why are rich then? How are they making money there? Yeah, because I know responses they can contribute something, and yeah, then I'm asking, how do you make money? Then? But you are making it, ne? Okay, I know, I understand you because sometimes people will have a different notion, you know, like okay, lean man or something, you know.
Especially mawunxibe national colors.
But do you raise the flag when you are out there? Do you raise it? I'm from South Africa.
Yeah, especially when even now next month we're going to Spain and Angola. This week is Spain, then next week is Angola.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously we same promote you now. I can say the senior team. Yeah, must obviously when we go out of the country, we national colors and yeah.
Okay. I think like we idlala nini team yakho iyadlala kuma national TVs.
Local team yam.
Yes, your team.
Yeah, Spartans.
Idlala kiphi channel? We should see it. We
It's
can
209, but yeah, ngama tournament there's this tournament called Super Sport. Each calendar ngayibonga ukuthi kubantu bayifakile mara ngikosho zoqala nini.
Yeah.
I think after April.
After April.
Then it's like 209. Yeah. But it's televised.
No, we want to see you when you are playing there.
Yo, when I play.
But on YouTube, is the game
being games? Yeah, akhona ama games.
I'm a recap, ne?
Yeah, I think akhona.
Akhona, ne? Yeah, we should check there. So what we do when you go there and check you?
I wonder if you wanna see it's I think but YouTube is my national team. I was last year for a national team under 23. It's Wheelchair Basketball South Africa African Qualifiers 2025. Yeah, lapho uzobona amagame wethu besiwadlala.
Yeah, no, now I want
best
to see.
Best tournament of my life.
Yeah. But which one is your favorite? Like out of all the games that we've played, which one you like? I wanted that one. That one I'm so proud of myself. When you look at it and like we had TV, like I wanted this one.
I think I'm a qualifiers.
African
qualifiers, man. I was having the best tournament of my life.
Yeah.
For the first time, first tournament. I was like, that's why I was like, I was a all-star player of the tournament. Man, I was like, I think when you enjoy something, it's into a natural, you perform. When you're in your right state of mind, you perform. Because when I'm caught, man, from the outside, I just focus here up until
the game end.
I'm in my own world.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, wakanjalo, ne?
Yeah,
and perform and do the miracles.
Yeah.
But when you look at yourself, what do you see? Like when you just look at yourself in the mirror, what do you see? Do you see a diamond? Do you see a gold? What do you see?
This born as umuntu that went through so much at a young age, doing wonderful things.
Yeah.
Because I survived 2 accidents. Car accidents.
2 accidents
in my life.
Yeah.
So every time I'm grateful. Every time I'm vexing. Even though I'm going to and stuff. So everything they were grateful, man. Once I was go out and do what I love. That's why I think a lot of things in this Tata serious, man, because God has given me so much. So to be grateful and just sometimes into a moya wam Yabo.
And I like the fact that Tori do mention with even if you are a church every Sunday, but you still recognize
I pray.
uNkulunkulu
I pray.
nemisebenzi yakhe nje.
Yo man, I pray, man. Even today I woke up ngavulela a gospel, you know. Ukuthi nje ngikhipha umoya wami phezulu, you know. Yeah, so balokutini nje into enjalo. So now that's why now in my life I always do things that makes me happy, because I know ukuthi nje at some point bengake ngikwazi bala, but because of God now I'm here. Let me do what I love. Let me not waste time on things that don't make me happy. You see.
Okay.
I think man, that's how I go ahead with life. Yeah.
Then what makes you happy except sport? Do you love women?
Yo. Bon.
Hey, I like the very good to tell ukuthi ha kunento emnandi.
Umuntu makanibona ne bathi yo this handsome dude.
Yeah.
Then automatically abantu bathi yo yeah player. You know, like you could be singing for a long time because you look good. They assume now what we play and stuff. You see, then we'll be like, oh God, only if you knew, guys, I'm not a player.
Unegwababa?
No, I used to, man.
You used to?
I used to.
Now you speak.
Yeah, man, like when when I want to yo, be like, yo, ne. Sometimes abanye kumbheka usibheka hey yambona lokuthi kuphi. Yeah, I used to have that.
Yeah.
So like into engenza happy, man. Most importantly, it's seeing my mom happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now after everything that she has been through, man, I think my mom has been through a lot, man. I think sometimes even though she doesn't communicate, I could see it, man. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu babona ukuthi just because unomntana disabled, man, umntana wakhe sozabe yonto ebeyinto like life in. Seeing her breaking about me now, going international and doing these things makes me happy because she's happy now. She's showing them no. That's because umntanami is like this. That doesn't mean life yekilo, email and stuff. Oh man, there's izinto ezinenza happy, man.
Yeah.
To look nice, man. Wake up, dress nice, smell nice, buy clothes when I have money. Go to expensive restaurant just to treat myself. Once in a while, it won't kill.
Yeah, you won't care.
Yeah, I won't. Just with man. Let me experience izinto. I love experiencing things, man. Going out and seeing places, helping people, man. I mean, I could I don't like talking about this because abanye ubabone they do things like ngathini bazirecord asasubona ukuthi uncede omunye umuntu. I don't do that.
Yes.
I mean, I could even mangibona abana I could even give my last money. Just it comes like natural to me. Not ukuthi ngivuka ukuthi ngiyoyenza like mangibona umuntu okay no shame ndiyambona even akacela I just give. That's how I love giving.
I like that because it shows ukuthi God bless isandla pious. Busisiwe vane bathi basho isandla pious sibusisiwe kunalesi receiver.
Yeah, I think ilawuli yazenzekelela kum naturally, man. Just from me yazenzekelela. What it doesn't matter, man, how much that I have. Even if it been change 100 rand, I'll be like, I'm not change. Take it all, it's fine. Ngizozibona mina baliphuma kanjani. Ezo zinto ukuzenza namza I sleep nice at night. Yeah.
What do you wish for? What do you wish for yourself? Usifiselani from now? I know you're going to, you said Brazil, ne?
I know Spain.
Spain, yes. What do you wish for yourself? So travelile fela manje, so travel kaningi, and I believe that you still want to do more, still want to experience more.
Yeah.
Yes. It's 2026, it's the new year. Unyaka usaqala isalo so Feb.
For this year, and what I wish for myself is nothing but happiness, man. Also, more money.
Hallelujah, hallelujah,
more
hallelujah.
money, yeah,
Cheers.
more money, more to things that brings positivity into life. Also noThixo I think enganceda ukuthi ngibone things ezizakum ezizongilimaza ngikhathi ngizibona ngisuse ecaleni, just nje ngibe kuye like a positive lane ebomini. Also just keep doing what I've been doing because I think it's working for me, man. Yeah.
You know what I will say, nesisi ayivala ke manje it's when I look at your story your story is painful but simnandi ekugcineni,
Yeah, no.
like a movie ka Van Damme, you want to say ibhlungu but ekugcineni you're celebrating again. Yeah, so siba kanjalo, because it wasn't nice ma explainer from the beginning ukuthi this and this and this happened.
That's how uthi uqala kube mnyama ukuze kukhanye.
Yes. Yes, akanzeka vice versa ukuthi iqale ekhanye then kube mnyama ekugcineni, And I just wish God can protect you, and still believe ukuthi wena you are Oscar Pistorius, and I believe that ukuthi there's more to be done. I mean sesemncane kanti uqeda isikolo no. Yeah,
I'm still very young.
Yeah. I can imagine when you say 27 because I was so achieve into ezingakanani.
I'm like, I'm only turning like 22 this year.
22.
Yeah,
you see, 22.
Yeah.
So there's more coming. I see a very, very, very good future in you, and we wish you all the best, man. Yeah. I know from now on when I watch your games, and I tell everybody to make sure you watch all ama tournament wako internationally and locally. Locally, usadla?
I play for Spartans.
Yeah.
We Spartans.
Spartans.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it's in, next to Eastgate Mall. There's a place called Mandeville Club.
Okay.
That's where which basketball takes place, and all the tournament and everything.
Yeah.
Also, man, sometimes as when someone does something for you, you need to acknowledge them.
Yeah.
And also like I want to acknowledge my mom firstly, my family for being there for me, man. They don't treat me like someone who's like can't do anything. Also for my mom for being strong. Now I think she is the happiest woman ever, man. She doesn't stress about you. It's fine. Now she's at peace knowing what my son can do anything. Also my friends, man. Man, they've been like very supportive. Man. There was this interview with this guy that did the interview now. He was playing soccer and I like to thank God, my girlfriends and my wife. God made a mistake. So I'm thinking of a dad now.
So now you're calculating with this one I got let me pack this one.
No, like I'm not like I think for me when it comes to relationships, I think when I love to love, man. Also to be loved also, man. It feels good, man. When I love a girl,
I recognize my ex even though she hurt me.
Like even if me and my ex we broke up and I won't bad mouth her once again we broke up, that's it. I respect what we had and that's it now. Also like even like relationship to the next one, I take time because I think like for a very long time you connect spiritually in every way, man. So when you guys broke up, you are not yourself like as a whole. You still have like pieces. So I take my time to recollect those pieces and to be the same person like as a whole, so that when I choose to love again, my current girlfriend won't suffer izinto ezenzeke in the past. Now I come here into this relationship as umuntu alright who's ready to love and umuntu amangafeli izono zomuntu wakudala. You see, I think that thing is very important.
Very,
to
very, yeah.
Not to jump from this one to the next one. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that one, yeah, I understand that the we beg on. Is there any word of the day that you want to give us before we let you go?
Word of the day.
Uh-huh.
Yazi velicinga kenzani.
Yeah. I mean, when you believed you I mean, you experienced a lot, and at the same time I believe you are a right person to encourage those ones, especially the younger generation. Lava vi busy kakhulu, the 2000s, the 2Ks,
Yeah,
you know.
man.
Yeah.
I think I do like right as
Okay.
even though sometimes it's cold.
All right. Let's give you a chance, man. We can't let you go without the word of the day.
Or ithi lenhlungu kuyo yenzele wena ukuze mhla walungelo ube nento yokubalisa. That's deep, man. Because ithi lenhlungu kuyo, like the pain that you are feeling now is preparing you ukuze when you things right benendo like have a story to tell.
Yeah.
And now just because now you are feeling that pain, just stay strong and believe with him. Things will come right. And when things align, now you have a story to tell about. So that you can like encourage abanye to say, man, I have been through this. Just from now, for instance, where I'm from to where I am now. That's a story to tell for the next people, about the next like people, so that now by us to know, man, this guy went to this, and he made it. Yeah.
Socials, you are?
As you know, like I think on TikTok now I'm Uncle Dude, and then on let me check my IG.
Okay.
My IG is Kanya_Undu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Undu. Yeah. Hey, sending me a man.
Yeah, man.
Okay, Kanya, thank you so much for coming to the show.
Yeah,
man, we're gonna watch your tournament locally and internationally, and I encourage everyone to watch our tournament work because now I have this thing in my mind. Hey, this guy is flying. Magase Fielding. He's doing magic.
Yeah, man. That's us everything that we have. Yeah, I mean, I celebrate every little thing that I achieve. Going outside of the country, that's an achievement for me. I celebrate that. Being called to the national team, that's a big thing for me. I celebrate that. Because they don't. But for me personally, I think it's a big thing. Small things I celebrate.
Let's celebrate you, man. Thank you so much for coming, and make sure you do the right thing. You go and stream and watch ama tournament work locally and internationally. Check him on Instagram and TikTok is Uncle Dude. Watch your TikTok and check that and follow and do the right thing. Me and you, we're gonna meet on the next episode. For now, sharp.
Thank you for having me.